Welcome to STEM Scholars Hub, an open-access online STEM library. I am Mr. Barbado. Today we're diving into the exciting world of rocket science with a simple, fun experiment, the balloon rocket. This experiment is a fantastic way to learn about Newton's third law of motion. Get ready to be amazed. Have you ever wondered how rockets soar through space? It all comes down to basic physics. We'll explore the science behind it together. It's going to be a blast. Before we launch into our experiment, let's understand the driving force behind it. Newton's third law of motion. This fundamental law states, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. What does this mean exactly? Imagine hitting a tennis ball. Your racket exerts a force on the ball, propelling it forward. Simultaneously, the ball exerts an equal force back on the racket, which you feel as an impact. That's Newton's third law in action. Now let's build our balloon rocket. For this experiment, you'll need a few simple materials: a balloon, a straw, some tape, and a long piece of string. First, thread the string through the straw. Securely fasten the ends of the string to two chairs or doorknobs, ensuring it's pulled taut. Inflate your balloon, but don't tie it off. Carefully tape the balloon to the straw, keeping the balloon's opening pinched closed. Your balloon rocket is ready for launch. Section 4. Newton's third law in action, the balloon rocket. Hold your balloon rocket at one end of the string with the balloon's opening facing the starting point. Let go. Observe as the air rushes out of the balloon, propelling it along the string. This is Newton's third law in action. The action, air escaping the balloon. The reaction, the balloon moving forward. The force of the air escaping creates thrust, propelling the balloon in the opposite direction. Section 5. Real-world applications of Newton's third law. Newton's third law isn't just about balloon rockets, it's everywhere. It explains how rockets launch into space, how birds fly, and even how we walk. When a rocket launches, it expels hot gas downwards. This is the action. The reaction is the rocket being propelled upwards. The same principle applies to birds flapping their wings and us pushing off the ground with each step. Section 6. Conclusion and call to action. The balloon rocket science experiment is a simple yet powerful demonstration of Newton's third law of motion. It helps us understand the relationship between action and reaction forces and their applications in our world. Now, I have a few questions for you. How could you make your balloon rocket go faster? What other objects work on the same principle as the balloon rocket? And what other examples of Newton's third law can you think of? Remember, science is all around us. Stay curious and keep exploring the world with a scientific mind. Visit us at www.stemscholarshub.net or www.innovatewithmarbarbado.com. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.